Hi guys, so I did this makeup tutorial look for you. Why I have this filter on right now is because I don't want to show you the whole look. I want you to go on my channel, check this video out. It's going to be out in a couple of hours. I'm going to post it on my Instagram, and I hope you like it. And if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, and stay tuned for the upload. Bye. I hope you like this makeup look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's just start. So I'm gonna use this new product by Rihanna, and so this is so now that I have prime, I'm gonna prime my face after applying Miracle Oil by Nikkie Tutorials. I am applying Maybelline Master Prime. So I'm gonna leave this for another 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you the other step. I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender. The primer is well settled in my skin. So I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and actually I do really like this foundation. It does give a very nice coverage, and it's not too heavy and it's not too light at the same time, so it has a perfect balance for my skin type. So beauty blender and start blending this out in a bit. So you see the coverage is so good. So I'm using the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna take Bay because I really like Bay rigorously, and I am just gonna apply it all over my eye. So we have an even base ready. So you see the difference already? That's what we're looking for, and I'm gonna come back after I've done this eye too. So once I've gotten both the eyes covered, I'm gonna change my brush, and I'm gonna move on to a to this kind of brush. We start using this, which is okay. Hello, Raya. Hi, Raya. How are you? So what we're focusing on. So now I'm going to use a cleaner and softer brush, and I'm barely going to touch my skin, but I'm going to let the bristles do the magic. I'm just going to try to blend the corners or edges out. So I'm going to do this on this eye and come back. So once I am done with that step, I'm going to take the same brush, and I am going to take I think I'm gonna use Cocoa. So what I'm doing is just getting as much product as I can, and I'm gonna keep this in my lap so I can get it. And what I'm gonna do here is sort of just, I don't know how to do this. now you want to get as much product as you can, because then you're going to start blending it. So I'm going to get as much product as I can. Sorry, I have to keep my mouth open for some stupid reason. I don't know, I think you can't do that. What is happening? Anyways, let's start. Keep on blending. So I'm gonna blend this and come back with this. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this concealer, and I'm literally, this is my favorite thing to do, to be honest. I mean, it's so easy. This is my favorite. But today we're gonna go with once I've done that, I'm going to quickly pop in back to Cocoa with a very soft bristly brush and just mark. I'm going to quickly pop into Black Truffle. I like the name. This look because it has taken a lot of time to do. Now let me just take this. This is Dubai. 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 Just it's going to blend itself nicely. That's what we're doing. I'm going to head back again with this brush. I'm going to clean it. I'm going to take Cocoa. So I'm going to use Moon Dust. Inner corners, very important. In the beginning, when I used to do my makeup, I did not like things, but then I actually fell in love with all that. Mars concealer, and anyways, since we have this done, I'm gonna use Fit Me. Ooh, this is a lot. Okay, here we go. That's what I was looking for. Go. Blend, 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 and blend. So I'm gonna quickly blend this and come back. So once I've got this all blended, I'm quickly gonna take this. Hi baby, yes. Toothbrush. I'm gonna take the same highlighter brush. I'm gonna take Moon Dust and I'm gonna quickly start. I'm gonna use this transparent powder. Blend concealer. favorite Kali makeup palette, because you know this is my favorite. And I'm gonna take this brush. I'm gonna just take all the product that I have remaining off from this sleek palette. Again, everything I'm gonna do her and start blending, and we're gonna blend and I really like we do this, wipe off the excess, and take out here. So now I'm gonna again take my blending beauty blender and blend it in, and this is gonna give you the most natural shine on your nose. So again, with my favorite brush, I'm gonna hold it like this. I don't know how to show this. I think applying a liner in your eye is the worst part, because you always want to fix something. I don't care. I'm I'm done with this. I'm gonna quickly do my eyelashes. So, I don't like it. Wait. I just don't even have words to say anything right now, because like this was just... It's actually done, because I've been using it since 2 days now, and it is skin. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna use this Super Stay setting spray by Maybelline. So again, this is mostly a drugstore makeup tutorial. Probably not. I don't know. So I'm just gonna with the setting spray, because it will not leave any wet spot. There, I'm gonna get back to my lighting. So okay, so why I am doing my makeup in a warmer light, because मुझे bright light अच्छी नहीं लगती. Because मैंने बोला anyways, this is my makeup. This is the complete look, and I don't know what this looks like. I can see it there, but tell me what you like about this look, and how do you find this look. Is this easy? And again, about this beauty that I just started using, this is a product by Hera Ali Studios, which is the miracle oil, and it is actually doing wonders to my skin, because it did help me apply makeup on very nicely. The foundation worked on very well on my skin, and I'm actually very happy. And my baby is messing around with me, so I'm just gonna quickly run off, and hope you guys like the video. And then don't forget don't forget to give a like to this video. And if you like my makeup tutorial, I'm gonna do a couple of more makeup tutorial videos. Next time I'm probably gonna do a hair tutorial as well, because पता नहीं आजकल कुछ ज़्यादा ही चीज़ें आना शुरू हो गई मुझे. So let me know in the comments, do you like this lip color, or do you think I should do a very darker lip color with this look? Because this was just a trial for tomorrow. I'm gonna do another lip shade tomorrow. So until then, anyways, this has been a very long video. Take care, Allah Hafiz, and see you guys soon. Bye.